guys, Aquaba. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. So guys, today I'm going to do a little bit of grocery shopping and I'm going to take you guys with me. So let's do the shopping. Let's get going guys and do a little bit of shopping. So this is my outfit of the day. Good morning guys, today is another day. So guys, let's get on with the unboxing of my camera. So since I did the unboxing in the videos that got corrected, this thing is gone. And then this is how it came. And the reason I got this camera is because I started creating content for Facebook. And the cooking videos that I post on YouTube, I want to post on Facebook as well. And filming for Facebook requires the phone to be in this form, while YouTube requires it to be in this form. And ever since my Sony camera fell down and then my lens decided not to work, I've been using my phone doing the filming. And like for instance, if I'm cooking and I'm putting let's say salt, and I turn the phone like this and then put in the salt, how am I going to get that same clip in this form for YouTube? So hence there was the need for something that I can use to film whilst filming for YouTube as well. So I was like also saving to buy a particular type of camera that I want. I'm not there yet, and so what do I do whilst I'm not there yet? Why don't I get something temporary that I can use for this purpose? So in this case, I got this camera, SLR camera. I'm not going to buy something super expensive and sophisticated, whilst I'm saving to buy a particular type of camera that I want. So I was like, get something that is just okay, that will do the job averagely, so that you can use that for filming, for YouTube, and then use your phone for Facebook. So yes, yeah, the name of the seller is it's not quite visible on the package, so I wrote it. If I'm to show you, okay, it's here. I don't know whether you guys can see it. So I wrote the name on a sheet of paper for you. So this is the name of the seller, and they've written it uses battery, but this one didn't come with a battery, so I ordered the battery and I'm waiting for it to arrive so that I can test it. So this is how it is. So when you get it out of the package, it's something like this. And then the first thing is this thing that you see is more like a wire. Yes, I think that this is what you use to transport whatever you have on the camera to your computer or laptop when you want to get it down and edit it. And then this is what's inside the box. It looks like this. So let's get off. It's an old version, guys. It's an old version, but something temporary. I'm not going to buy super fancy and expensive stuff. So this is how it is. Exactly the way how I saw it on their website. And also they have this manual with it to help you know what to do with it. So it's inside the box. So yeah, so they've written here 16 megapixels, and then what else? AG video cam. So the 16 megapixels is here, and then AG video cam is also here. Then 24 2.4 LCD and other things. So yeah, I'm going to read the manual and see what I'm supposed to do with it. But until then, I'm gonna have to wait for the batteries to arrive so that I can test it and see. So this kind of product, I don't expect it to be like the most sophisticated modern brands, but I also don't expect it to be trash, guys, if you know what I mean. At least I expect it to do a decent job. So guys, when I'm finally able to get the camera of my dream, I will come back here and do the unboxing for you guys to see. But for now, this is what I have. So guys, I forgot, I bought it on Jumia. Yes, together with the microphone that I showed you in the last vlog, I bought those things on Jumia. So if any of you are wondering where I got it from Jumia. So the ingredients I'm going to use are green bell pepper, onion, cloves of garlic, ginger, carrots, sunflower oil, black pepper, honey. Guys, this is honey, organic natural honey. And then the steak itself, I'm just going to make a small. Is the steak. Small batch. It's just me, so I'm not going to make a big batch, just a small batch. So let's get cooking. Then also cornstarch. So I'm going to marinate this for a while. guys, today is another day. So guys, there's this thing I've been doing. Anytime I go for night duty, the next morning it becomes very difficult for me to sleep unless I eat a lot. And I've realized that I've been engaging on healthy eating habits to enable me to eat a day after night duty. So I've finally decided to, get rid of all those unhealthy eating habits because having a negative effect on my health. So what I'm doing is I'm not going to eat the healthiest I can find around because that also becomes very difficult for me to sleep. I always want to get at least 1 hour to sleep after the morning after night duty, and the healthiest of food is not going to let me. So I've decided to just go just in between, not the healthiest, not the most junk you can find around, but somewhere in between so that I can get at least 1 hour sleep and I can really start my day. So I've decided to use biscuits and drinks. So today I'm going to a local grocery shop to see what I can find in terms of biscuits. So that's my plan. So this is what I got. There was a lot of biscuit over there, but this is the one I'm familiar with and I trust a little bit. So this is what I got. I got 2 packs actually. So I'm going to end the vlog right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, anything you need to do for the family to grow. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.